Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return for government salaried person. First, gather all your essential documents like Form 16 and investment proofs. Next, identify the correct income tax return form applicable to your income sources. Then, we'll go through the step-by-step process of e-filing your return accurately. Finally, we'll explore common deductions and exemptions to help you optimize your tax liability and ensure a smooth submission. To begin, ensure you have your Form 16, which is crucial for salary and tax deducted at source details. Gather all investment proofs for sections like 80C, 80D, and 80G, as these significantly reduce your taxable income. Don't forget bank statements and interest certificates for any other income. Finally, select the appropriate income tax return form, typically ITR1 or ITR2, based on your specific income profile. The filing process starts by logging into the official e-filing portal. Select the correct assessment year and your chosen ITR form. The system often pre-fills much of your data from Form 16. Carefully verify this information. Proceed to enter all income, deductions, and taxes paid. Once calculated, pay any outstanding tax, submit your return, and remember to e-verify it within 30 days for completion. Maximize your savings by utilizing deductions under Section 80C, allowing up to 150,000 rupees for investments like PPF and life insurance. Also, claim health insurance premiums under Section 80D, up to 25,000 rupees for those under 60. Always ensure all data entered precisely matches your financial records. Finally, e-verify your return promptly using methods like Aadhaar OTP or net banking to finalize the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.